Horrifying details being released by Schenectady police tonight regarding the death of a 10-month-old baby girl, Halo Branton, found down a 10-foot pipe Sunday afternoon on the GE campus.
Her mother is being accused for her death, and CBS 6's Ashley Kusakonki reports now from Schenectady with more.
On Saturday night here in Schenectady, temperatures dropped to around 36 degrees with rain. And according to the autopsy, baby Halo died of exposure and hypothermia. Here on Campbell and 12th, this is where police say Nelson started before going through the woods and onto the GE campus. Her baby would be found hours later in a utility tunnel with a 10-foot drop with water and mud at the bottom.
The baby did not drown. The baby was in the water, which came up to her chest and around her head, but not her face.
10-month-old Halo Branton died Sunday afternoon after being found in a 10-foot utility pipe on the GE campus. Her accused killer, her own mother, 24-year-old Persia Nelson. Nelson faces charges of second-degree manslaughter and an additional charge of second-degree murder.
At 11:04 p.m. on March 9th, the Schenectady County Unified Communications Center received a call from GE Security that there was a female trespasser on scene and didn't know how she got there, and she claimed to have lost her child.
On what appears to be Nelson's Facebook page, a post from Saturday night reads, "I'm drunk, don't play with me right now." Schenectady police were asked if they knew where the child was at the time of this post.
As I mentioned earlier, this is an active investigation, so that's something that you really just don't want to comment on at this time.
An Amber Alert went out at 10:10 Sunday morning after criteria was met, but only to media and law enforcement. It went out to the public an hour later.
Mess it up, but it's a technology issues with the alert that went out yesterday. I've been advised that the New York Alert System and the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children is examining the error and working on a solution right now.
Shagger says this is the first time this error has happened, but adds an earlier alert would not have impacted this case. Nelson does have one other child, but police say they are currently with their biological father right now. A preliminary hearing is scheduled for this Thursday, but DA Carney says the department is proceeding for a grand jury quickly on this case. For now, Nelson is in custody on a $500,000 cash bail or a $1 million bond. Reporting in Schenectady, I'm Ashley Kusakonki with CBS 6 News.